Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unlock a chat on WhatsApp. Maybe you had previously locked a contact and now you want to remove the lock and access their chat freely. So today I am going to show you how to unlock a chat on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, open the lock chat section by scanning your fingerprint. In this section, locate the lock conversation that you want to unlock. Tap on the contact's name to open the lock chat. Once the chat is open, tap on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with different options. From this menu, tap on this View Contact option. In this page, scroll up and here you can now see this chat lock option. Simply tap on it. Here, you simply need to toggle off the switch to unlock this chat. In this prompt, you need to scan your fingerprint to confirm this action. After that, you now have successfully unlocked a chat on WhatsApp. You will be able to access it without any further authentication. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unlock a chat on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unlock a chat on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.